In this new Kolleno video about dunning procedures in NetSuite, I'll explain how to set the priority order of dunning procedures in NetSuite. It's crucial to order these procedures because when multiple procedures can apply to a customer invoice or invoice group, NetSuite uses the one with the highest priority. So we will go in Setup, Dunning Procedure Priority. As I'm sure you already subscribed to this Kolleno YouTube channel, you know how we create those dunning procedure. So I'll go straight into it and update the priority list. So you can see we have customer, invoice and invoice groups procedure. So you choose the one that you want to look at. And then you can see that the list is automatically sorted by priority, with the one at the top being the highest priority. So I can click on one and I can just move up, move down, insert, move to top, move to bottom. Obviously here is only two, so move top, bottom will be the same as the up, down. And when you're happy, you just save your changes. By setting this priority order, you ensure that NetSuite follows the right dunning procedure when there's a choice between multiple options. This helps streamline your dunning procedure and avoids confusion when sending out reminders for overdue invoices. If you'd rather have conditional, complex conditions based on different filters and data that you have from your payment system provider, from NetSuite, from your emails, etc., have a look at Kolleno.com that can provide that for you fully integrated with your NetSuite. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.